Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am on my 5th card in my card series, and I'm using my Scarlet Line Planner Society kit that I love. And this part of the videos, I'm trying to use all my scraps as well as a few other goodies, but things that I've already started using. And this is one of the backings, like you get it in the plastic bag, and I can't remember what came in here, but anyways, this was a part of the kit, so we are going to use the whole buffalo and have fun. So, okay guys, so this is, I think I'm going to have it completely cover this. I don't know, let me think. I didn't think that, and you know what, I still like the dimension. I lied. Sorry, didn't mean to lie. But I do like that. Okay. Here we go. And I've got all these other things here that I've already pulled. So, hopefully. But, so you just literally, you can measure it on the ruler, or you can measure it with your actual card. And I've already had a couple in the first video boo-boo cuts. So, yeah. Don't want to do it again. So I'm just measuring. That's how easy. So I do a lot of things by sight. I don't do them by dimension. I think because, I don't know what you guys do, but as a woman, and I think this is a real, please forgive me guys out there, a woman thing is that we're doing one thing and we're thinking about 6 others. And yeah, we can make a mess pretty quickly. So, or I can make a mess pretty quickly. So, alright, I think I want this one to open like that. And that is really faint, but I really like that. Yeah, and then I think, you know what, I changed my mind. I'm going to take a little bit more off of this now. Hello? There goes my glue stick. Oh, there's the other doily. I wondered where that went. I knew something flew off. I just couldn't figure out where it flew. I get on a roll, and I'm not in my craft room. I'm going to save that, and I'll use that too. And so, as a result, you know, you just kind of, you get on a roll, and you just kind of have to be smart about it. You know what I mean? So, I think that is going to do that. I will save that as well. And I will come to this one, and I will, and the other side of this one is that, and I don't want to use, oh, I lied. How cute would that be? Okay, that completely changed in mid creation. Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? Doggone cute. Okay. I know, I can hear y'all. You're saying it too. Man. Okay. Who'd have known? Like I say, you know, these cards, we start out with an idea in mind. We have a basic design plan, and then we get in it, and you know what? There's nothing wrong with changing gears. There is nothing wrong at all. Do it. Float your boat. You know, if you see something and you think, oh no, I like it better this way, do it. I give you permission. Not that it's mine to give, but... And, you know, see, that's not bad for next time. I can use that too. Okay. Alrighty. Isn't that so stinking cute? Okay. I'm so happy right now. I know. It is crazy. Oh, I wish I had my glue stick, but that's alright. We'll use this. Okay. I cannot believe my husband's out there at 7:20 at night, mowing in the dark. He has lights. He has lights on his little tractors. He's got lights everywhere, and but I don't really like him doing it at night. As you can well imagine. Okay, I'm checking twice. Yep, this is exactly the way I want it to go. And I think if I got that first off the bat, that would be a, nope, I'm off. Just a smidge. But that's okay. Okay, oh my goodness. Cute, 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 cute. So, anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying this series. This is my cup of tea. I love to take quick and easy things, and even things that really were meant for something else, and find a way to have fun. And oh my gosh, isn't that cute, guys? I don't know if you guys, if the camera's doing it justice. Isn't that cute? And let me see. I'm trying to decide. I do have some washi. I have lots of washi. What am I saying? Some. Okay, we've got that. Let me see what else I have in here. Because I think, okay, that's fall, which I don't mind. Let me see, where's the, I'd already kind of picked out some stuff for this. So, I really want to use this. I love that. Ooh, I love that too. That wood grain. No, it's too much wood grain. Got copper. No. Wow, I'm dropping everything, aren't I? I also have that I could put down. But I wanted to use these bows. I don't think that's what I'm going to do. Okay, let me see what other washi I have. Oh, I think I see something I might use. Okay, I love that. Winter chicken dinner. So that's a rose gold kit I got from Tuesday morning. So, and I'm probably not going to use just this one washi. So, I will tell you, I love washi. Anybody who watches this channel knows how much I love washi. But some washi does not stick as well as other washi. Not all washi is made the same. So, on a lot of, whoops, I'm not liking that. Okay. On some projects, I will glue as well. I will put glue on it as well. Hold on. You know what I don't like? It's not straight. There we go. Let's see if that's better. But, you have to, and I got glue on it, you have to decide, because glue slows you down sometimes. I'm not, not long, but, it can slow you down, especially, and if you're in a car, which I have made many cards sitting in a car. Let's see here. I've got another one here. Hallmark. What you need to do is decide, do I need to put glue under this? Is it gonna not hold? Is it gonna flare up? Is it gonna look bad? And like that had a little like glitch in it. All I did was fold it under. Voila. Okay, so now this washi this is by AC. It sticks. It is a great washi. Okay, this is what I was looking for. Ooh, I got that glitzy. Nope, don't want to do that. Nope, don't want to do that. Do I want to do solid? Ooh, do want to do that. I know. Why? Ooh, I have that. Let me see. Let's put that there with it. But you can see what I'm looking at. I have that. I do like this one isn't bad. No, it's too much. Oh, I love that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, yes. Because I have an idea for the inside, and this card just completely changed right while we're here. Hey, you watch me. It's never dull. Alright, my friends. Okay, I'm going to straighten this up because it's crooked, and I don't want it to be crooked. And I am going to make sure that I start on the edge perfectly, trying to be. I know, you're laughing. I'm never perfect at this, but we try. We do try. On an occasion, we do try. Okay, that is darling. Let me trim that. And yeah. Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? And that on top. Okay. Cute, cute, cute. Alrighty, now, I think, since I'm sticking to the kit, well, kind of am, except for a little washi here and there. For my sweet friends out there, I was trying to think, what else do I have in my bag of tricks? Okay. What if I put some of these on here? How would that look? Oh, that looks cute. Well, let me see here, guys. No, you know what? I don't like that. I really don't. It doesn't exactly match the way I was thinking it would, so I think I'm going to wait and save those. Let me see, it kind of smoothed on me a little bit. Yeah, that's the only thing about these, the Aleene's. I love Tombow Mono. It dries super fast. I love, what is that glue that May sells? I love that too. It's just good stuff. So I'm going to make it really easy on myself, and I think I'm going to go corner to corner. I don't know. Every now and then you just got to switch it up, you know? Don't do it the same every time. It's good for your brain. It is. It is. For those of you that don't know. It is proven that one of the things that saves your mind when you're dealing with Alzheimer's is changing your pattern up. So it's just like it's great to learn more than one language. You get a bigger brain. There are very much things that you can do that are brain development activities. So there's that. I love that. Now, I was thinking, oh, isn't that cute? Okay, and then I wanted to put my sweet girl on here. You know what? I don't. I lied. I think I'm going to go with this. Isn't that cute? Do I want to do it like that and then put this on? I do want to do it like that. Let me see. Nope, it's not long enough. I lied. Maybe I wanted to, but it isn't going to. Oh, wait. I have a longer one. Just a second, guys. See, these are just scraps. I'm using the scraps from the front cover. Let me see. Yeah, done. Okay, so right now, I need to flip this over so I can mark on the back side instead of the front side. I'm going to cut this here. And I'm going to cut this here. And another thing you can do is you can glue it. I have to change that. Glue it and then fold back and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you that. So you can measure it, cut it, or you can do exactly what I'm getting ready to do. Okay, does that make sense? Alright, so do it this way. And yeah. So, whoops, get that off of there. There we go. Alrighty. Now, hands down, this would have been so much easier with tape runner. But I don't have any. I don't have any in my bag. So this is what I'm using, what's in my bag. And I'm okay with these videos this way. Because I'm out of place. I'm not in my craft studio. I don't have everything at my fingertips, so I'm using what I have. And this is my bag when I travel. So when I travel, this is what I use. I use what I have. Trying to get better. Trying. So, okay. Oops. That was weird, but that's okay. Let's get that on there extra good. Wipe up any extra glue. I don't want it to. It'll dry clear, but, I just don't want that. That look. Gosh, I have got glue all over me, and it's showing up on everything. Okay. Let me get my fingertips clean. Okay, so now, look at that. Isn't that cute? I think I'm going to have it come down a little bit. Yep. So this baby can have glue all over it. It doesn't have to be just on one edge. So, there we go. Let's get some, just shush it down here from the bottle. That's it, guys. This card is done. Now, I am going to let that dry. And I'm not going to push everything down because it still gets a little bit of dimensional out of that. And I'll show you. Isn't that cute? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Uh-oh. Got a little glue there. It kind of leaked out on me, but we can fix it. So, okay. I'm going to let that dry. And now, let's work on the envelope. So, you know what's going to happen. I'm just going to do these 2 washies, and we're going to call it a day. And watch what I do. I am just going to use this corner that's already been set up. This cut. How lazy is that? Then I only have to do 1 cut. I know. But I hope you enjoy this. I'm at least in it's not going to tear that way. Sometimes they don't like to tear on the angle. But that's okay. We have scissors. We have Mom's scissors, so I can use those. But you know what? How easy is that? Isn't that pretty? And I'm going to put the other washi on it too, because one is never enough. Some on that, probably glue, because glue's everywhere. Glue and glitter, but today it's not glitter, it's sequins. Alright, isn't that pretty? And it just says beautiful. And I know who I'm going to give this to. Somebody who's been a very beautiful person in my life and has been so kind. There have been several of those, but I have not taken the time to slow down and send thank you notes. Number one, I just couldn't make up yet. But there are some people that are way past due. I mean, I've told them thank you a million times, but, you know, sometimes you just need to say it. And my sweet girl is going to have to go on a different card. Because, voila. So there is our card number 5 in our series. So, my sweet friends, come back. And we have one more card to go. Alright, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And most importantly, I pray that, again, your day is beautiful, creative, and lovely. Thank you guys for stopping by, and I hope you giggled a little bit with me while I was making these cards. Okay. Alright, guys, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.